I Don't Know Where I'm Going But I'm on My Way by Carl Sandburg. It highlights the fundamental uncertainty of life. No one can predict all the twists and turns of their path. Yet, Sandburg does not treat this uncertainty as a problem to be solved or appear to be avoided. Instead, he embraces it as a given, a condition of existence. The second part, But I'm on My Way, shifts from acknowledgement to action. Sandburg emphasizes movements over certainty. Life is often imagined as a linear path with clear goals, but in reality, growth and meaning emerge in the process of walking, stumbling, and exploring. Uncertainty is not a roadblock. It is a space in which discovery occurs. By moving even without a clear destination, we learn to adapt and evolve. This mirrors ideas from modern psychology which suggest that action can precede clarity. Often, we find a direction not by planning everything but by taking steps and responding to the world along the way. Sandburg quote also highlight a quiet form of faith, though not necessarily religious. To move forward despite not knowing the outcome is an act of trust in life, the journey or one's own capacity to navigate challenges. It resonates with Anne Lamott's reflection. The opposite of faith is not doubt, but certainty. Her faith is intertwined with uncertainty. It does not remove doubt but walks alongside it, affirming that the act of moving forward itself has value. Uncertainty is inseparable from courage. To embrace the unknown and continue onward is a profound expression of resilience and hope. On a deeper existential level, Sandburg's words reflect the essence of being human. Life is never fully known. We cannot anticipate every event, every emotion, every change. Yet we navigate, adapt, and grow. By acknowledging that we don't know where we are going, we remain humble in the face of life's vastness. By moving forward anyway, we remain alive and engaged. This dynamic tension between not knowing and taking action is central to the human condition. We don't need to know everything, yet we can move forward. We don't need a complete map, yet we can journey boldly. In embracing the unknown while walking forward, we live fully aware of life's tragedy, yet unafraid to explore its boundless possibilities. In short, uncertainty is not the obstacle, it is the path itself.